Technology, the silent force behind social change. Throughout history, societies have evolved not only through revolutions and reforms but also through quiet yet powerful undercurrents. Among these, technology stands out as a silent force that has continuously shaped and reshaped the contours of human existence. From the invention of the wheel to the rise of artificial intelligence, technological innovation has catalyzed social transformation in ways both visible and invisible. The evolution of technological impact. In ancient civilizations, tools and techniques enabled agriculture, which led to settled societies and the birth of complex social structures. The Industrial Revolution of the 18th century brought unprecedented changes, urbanization, new labor systems, and shifts in power dynamics. While the political and economic aspects were evident, it was technology that silently drove these changes. Empowerment through information. The digital revolution of the 20th and 21st centuries has had a particularly profound impact. The Internet has democratized information, giving voice to the marginalized and enabling grassroots movements across the globe. The Arab Spring, for instance, highlighted how social media, a product of digital technology, could challenge autocratic regimes and mobilize citizens for democratic reforms. Education and awareness. Technology has transformed access to education, reducing barriers for millions. Online learning platforms, mobile apps, and virtual classrooms allow students in remote villages to access the same content as their urban counterparts. This not only bridges knowledge gaps but also reshapes societal norms about who can aspire to education and upward mobility. Social justice and inclusion. Assistive technologies empower people with disabilities, allowing greater participation in economic and social life. Similarly, digital identity systems like India's Aadhaar have enabled access to welfare services for the underprivileged, fostering inclusion and reducing inequality. Women and technological empowerment. Technology has played a crucial role in redefining gender roles. Access to digital finance, mobile phones, and e-commerce platforms has empowered women entrepreneurs in rural areas. Moreover, awareness campaigns on social media have challenged patriarchal norms and fostered greater gender sensitivity. Challenges and ethical concerns. However, the transformative power of technology is not without drawbacks. It can widen the digital divide, reinforce surveillance, and spread misinformation. Artificial intelligence and automation pose threats to employment and ethical governance. Therefore, harnessing technology responsibly is essential to ensure it remains a force for positive social change. Conclusion. Technology operates silently, yet it touches every facet of human life. It has the potential to accelerate social progress, bridge inequalities, and redefine the future of humanity. However, it requires ethical stewardship and inclusive policies to ensure that its benefits are equitably shared. In the end, technology is a tool. Its impact on society depends on how wisely we wield it.